Just talk to my camera like a weird ass YouTuber. There we go. Let's set up. We're out here with everybody. We got Space Mouse over there in her car. Tim, Mark over there somewhere. I don't know. I just got here. We at the church. We getting some Jesus in us today. Mark's finna rip. I got a grinder, you know. I got a Demibot. You know I got everything with me today. I got a center whoop just because. I got a 2-inch just because. And last but not least, another Demibot. Yo, fuck this. It's cold. It's cold. It's supposed to be in like the 50s today.
That's what it said.
I guess we ain't getting that this morning.
I was gonna bring plants. This would give you a fun house place to throw a plant out.
I ain't even got mine finished yet. I fucking cooked the receiver, then cooked 2 servos, and hung it on the wall.
If you need help, let me know.
I just gotta get parts for it now.
Hopefully see all analog people are done. I'm gonna throw one out.
Are you digital?
Yeah.
I want to make the switch, but it's so expensive. Yeah. About an extra 400, 500 bucks to blow.
Yeah, right.
I mean, I still work. I put 400 miles on my truck yesterday. I went to Topeka and back, and then up to Lathrop and back, and then Chillicothe and back. If it's cold, or if I forgot to charge that.
What channel you on, Dylan?
R1!
Okay, I'm on 3.
Okay.
We're gonna take on the world.
What are you doing, you fucking lawn dart? It's too cold to carry you. So I'm doing this. The only reason this exists is because the Fold Ape sucks, and Tim gave me the frame and the motors, or the props. I bought these motors accidentally for my Cetus.
What motors are
It's the Beta FPV 2S motors. It's the 8500 kV. But they're, what are they, 1103s? I bought them for my Cetus accidentally, and then I didn't return them because I was like, I'll put them on something eventually. Yeah. And then they literally sat in my office for like a year. Oh, another thing, look at this. I fucking talk about a pigtail, bro. I shortened the fuck out of that lead because I was tired of chopping it. So I cut it right there, you plug it in, and there's no way for the fucking battery to get into it anymore.
Can't beat that.
I need to do it with that one.
Pretty much dummy-proofing it.
Yeah, I want to do that with all of mine because you look at this one, it's got fucking this long of a battery lead and this long of a battery lead. It's like, that's getting caught.
That's twice as long as any of the batteries.
Yeah, there's no reason for it to be like that. Going up.
Am I wasting my time? You've been out and talking to strangers. Conversation hiding the danger. You're gripping my mind, twisted to fit your groove. You affect my mood, the way you move into the that's an issue. You're crowding my mind, just messing me up inside. You affect my mood, the way you move into the things you do. You affect my mood. You sink your teeth into me, it's true.
As a man who always appreciates good design, I love how Mark accidentally made the plunger hole for his GoPro mounts the same size as a Bic lighter. Very handy. So I thought it'd be really cool to fly my Cinewhoop. Forgot something. We all know the rules. We all know the curse. You never say last pack before your last pack, because that's when you break stuff, right? Whenever you call out that you're flying your last pack.
Is that your last pack?
I think this might be my last pack.
Okay.
Just confuse the shit out of the quad gods.
Man, I get this work. All I do is work. All I do is work. All I do is work. Sassy B and man, I get this work. All I do is work. Yeah, all I do is work. Man, I get this work. Don't make money, then it don't make sense. You don't make money, then keep it 2 cents. Hating on me, cause the bitch gotta get it, they mad, cause the bank account got 7 digits. I'm a boss, you a secretary. Money coming first, never secondary. Like Montana, I ain't never worried. My diamonds cold like February. Everyday basic, can't understand it. That's why they talk shit, cause they can't stand it. Pussy on a pedestal, you can never buy it. Get a little ratchet, but don't even try it. Got my own money, but I let it get up on me. So I put it in the savings and I get the interest on it. If I want it, I can get it, you don't need a co-signer. I got 700 credit, independent, don't forget it. All I do is work. All I do is work. All I do is work. Man, I get this work. All I do is work. Yeah, all I do is work. Man, I get this work. Burn bread, no toaster. My girls bankroll like Oprah. Paparazzi wanna get a close up, so they always there when I show up. Got a car in the crib and a bag full of chips, so your man always begging for a call and a kiss. Pretty girls working, I know he wish he could move at the job to the boss of the shit. Wanna employ me? How to put him in his place like an employee. Make a little space for your girl to breathe. Inhale, exhale, now back to work. They think my name is a compliment. Bitch mad cause queen so confident. Presidential, y'all just copy it. Go sit your ass down where the lobby is. All I do is work. All I do is work. All I do is work. Man, I get this work. All I do is work. Yeah, all I do is work. Man, I get this work. More money, more cars, more clothes. More money, more cash, more dough. I get that M-O-N-E, why, man? With that even trying. But I'm putting in work so my net worth is multiplying. And I get it how I want it when I need it. No secret, haters can see it. You make a head with your broke ass never with no cash, man. I get this. All I do is work. All I do is work. All I do is work. Man, I get this.
That's a fucking last pack, baby. set this thing up so I can talk to it. Where's my vape? There's a vape. I'm a minute from the house. So this is a 6 spot. Mark's talking to his camera. This is a 6 spot. Riley is dope. She's got some sick fucking spots to rip out here on the Kansas side of the line, which, if you know me, you know I'm not the biggest fan of this state, but hey, it is what it is. There's some cool spots to fly out here. Okay, camera go that way, camera go this way, camera go my way, camera go your way. Hello, camera. Okay, what am I doing? Who are you people? Anyways, yeah, this last spot was pretty sick. First spot was pretty sick. Everything's pretty sick. It's cold. Like, actually, it's like fuck you below 0. But red light. It's time for me to go get some gas and something to eat and go home and edit video maybe. Hopefully I don't have to go to work. Let's see if this thing does its not thing. All right, have fun. Bye.